hearing people like Mark sing, never mind all them crazy, beautiful chords he can play on the guitar. Woo! I've been knowing Luther, we've been knowing each other a long time. In fact, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Luther, so. And Anders has forgotten more classic songs that he's wrote than most people would ever dream of being able to write in their life. Sing and play, do it all. He's like the pinnacle, you know. While you were singing that one song a minute ago, that last song before we ended the first part of the show, you said, it just woo, hit me, you know. It brought me back to what this song, this particular evening, and the whole idea of if everything that you're doing in your life ain't putting you where you want to be, then why the hell are you doing it? You know? It's a hard question to answer because we do a lot of shit. Self-sabotage. And I had a little epiphany sitting at about a St. John's River at a spot where it's almost 2.5 miles wide, and this little song happened. It's called This River. I stare at your picture, but there's nothing for it. I pull on the bottle and watch this river roll on by, trying to find purpose, trying to see meaning, trying to make sense of the nonsense that I've called my life. But only this river can bear me to safety. This river bear me away. See them all work and play. They're on the other bank, while I bathe my cold alone. I guess I've been drinking away to keep the wolves off my mind at bay. 'Cause if you run, you die, but I'm just too tired to die. There's only this river can bear me to safety. Only this river
TJ Gray, everybody, y'all make some noise.